Hi guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be making hot dogs. Let's get started. Some of the ingredients that you need are mayonnaise, some sweet green relish, some mustard, a little bit of ketchup, and I'm just going to be warming up one hash brown on the side, 2 hot dogs, a hot dog bun. So first we're going to broil the hot dogs on the grill. Toast the hot dog buns. And we're just going to microwave the hash brown for a few seconds. Now we're going to apply the mayonnaise on the hot dog buns. Now place the hot dogs. Add ketchup. Add the mustard. Add the sweet green relish. And it's ready. Enjoy. Please show your support, like, share, and subscribe. Hope you guys like the video. Thank you for watching.